So guys, there's actually a snowstorm, like kind of like in real life right now, and in this game. But I'm, but we gotta go for this snowstorm, bro. It's like a blizzard, bro. We gotta hide somewhere. We gotta hide. Hiding right in here. Hide in here right now. Hide in here right now. Right now. See, there's someone else here. Okay. Close your door, please. Like, bro. At least close your door. Bro, why is this one open too? Okay, let's get our ATV. This is like our scout vehicle to see the blizzard. But for right now, I'm just gonna hide. Bro, we might even lose power. We might even lose power. Of course you're gonna open it. Close it. What are you doing? That guy's... Bro. Okay. Well, I don't know what that guy was doing. I think we might lose power. Because the snow might be really hard the snow might be really hard on the wires, and then we're gonna lose power. So for now, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and probably just... Actually, I'm probably just gonna... I don't know. I think I'm just gonna stay here for the rest of the days. Why are all these open? Is that guy such an idiot? But that guy's an idiot. Leave. Is he leaving? Oh yes, he's leaving. Okay. That guy's annoying, bro. Yeah, I see you. Now he's opening up these. Bro, I actually hate that guy. Yeah, leave. Leave right now. Bro, I hate that guy. I'm leaving. That's what you get. See, now your camera's broken. Well, his camera's broken. Yeah, leave right now. You can't even drive. Bro, you cannot drive. Bro, you can't. Okay, there we go. Bro, there's a. Dude, there's just so slow. See, that guy just crashed. And I was getting crushed. That's your fault. That's your fault. Your fault. You. Okay, yep, I'm leaving. This guy is just so dumb. He wants to leave these open. Even though when there's a snowstorm. What if we wait for that guy to leave? He left. He left. He left. So he's gone. He's not here anymore, so that's good. Alright. So it's almost been a day. Not in real life, in the game. Well, I'm pretending it's almost been a day. So, I mean, let's just chill. That better not be him. Oh, that's not a disco. But if he's coming over here. Fine, he'll be nice to this guy. You better not. Oh, yes. Just the same guy. So we're safe? Well, I think we are. So I think we're safe in here. This leads outside. So don't close, please. I hate being sick. Why is there doors like that? Wait. It's over. It's over. It's over. Bro.